Ladies and gentlemen, Flight 1427 to New York is now boarding at Gate 3. Please hurry so you can find a place to store your carry-on luggage. Assuming you were even able to carry it on and the airline didn't make you check it because you packed too much. Hopefully you all have a Bluesmart, the world's first smart carry-on suitcase.
Wait, what? What'd you say? Yeah, you're having a laugh, aren't you? Right, first things first. Bluesmart as a product, brilliant. Bluesmart as a business, as a company, absolutely pants. Pants is probably the best word to describe them. There is stronger words, but I'll stick with pants and thumbs down. Bluesmart as a product, as I say, is absolutely brilliant. However, this is an absolutely brilliant paperweight. That's all it is. As of the 15th of this month, this has become a paperweight. I've waited about 7-8 months for this product to be delivered, with numerous emails saying I no longer want it. But it's finally arrived, and as it arrives after the 15th of January, it's now a paperweight. Why? Because all of the super functions that this comes with, I can no longer use, because the airlines no longer allow you to use the batteries whilst it's in the air flying. We no longer lose it, so it's now a paperweight. Lots of money, hundreds of pounds for a paperweight. Now, why am I upset? I'm upset because throughout all this, when I knew this was going to happen, I tried contacting Bluesmart. I tried to get reassurances that I was still able to use their product. No answers, no communication back. They're not interested. They've got your money and they've now gone. They're probably some tropical island somewhere, enjoying it all, counting, saying, look at all these suckers, got all their money and we're loving it up. Now, without naming and shaming anybody, do you remember these guys? And can you remember what they said that this can do?
Location tracking, supercharging capabilities, digital auto locking system, smart weight sensors, powered by our next generation technology to transform the way you travel. The new cabin, now 25% bigger inside, charges all your devices, including laptops. And the new check, features 4 smart weight sensors that sync with your airline and prevent you from paying baggage fees. Both suitcases lock automatically when you move away, and you can track their location anywhere.
And finally, do you remember what their uncle told them when they made their first product years and years ago, which was a success until the airlines got wind of it and decided to do a bit of a U-turn?
Drop it. This is bullshit. What the f is a smart suitcase, you moron?
Well, they should have listened to their uncle, 1. They should be listening to their customers, 2. They should at least keep their lines of communication open. So all I want to know now is, how do I get rid of this product? I no longer want it, I no longer need it, I can no longer use it. It's just been a waste of my time, a waste of their time, a waste of everybody's time involved in it, because it's a way, as I said, it's a paperweight. So here lies my predicament. Does anybody want this? If anybody wants this, reply back in the comments and you can have it. Just pay me what I paid for it, and the shipping costs wherever you are, and I'll sort you out. But as of this moment in time, I no longer want or need this product. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.